Hey everybody, had a bit of a public service announcement. We got home with our camper today and I got the tanks drained with my new fancy dancy macerator pump, and I have a gravel drive over here on the side of my shop. So I back it in here next to the shop, obviously where the grass doesn't grow. And I was pulling some weeds and I was looking at the side of my shop, and check this out. My gravel is eating my shop. This hasn't happened anywhere else. So like if we go over here into the sun and I haven't weed eated, look, there's nothing. Perfectly fine. But you go over here and the metal is all oxidized and looking 10 years old already. This shop's only 2 years old. So public service announcement. Make sure you don't have gravel up against the tent on your shop. When we had the concrete poured in the shop, I just had the concrete guy scoop with his skid steer whatever extra gravel was inside the shop and put it here next to the shop. And there was a little bit laying up against the shop here, maybe an inch, and I didn't think much of it, and it's been 2 years, and now the bottom of my tin looks like it's 10 years old. So public service announcement, don't do that. Hope this video helps you. Like and subscribe if you want more content, and you go outside and work on something, or if you have gravel touching your shop, get it off your shop now.